And now let's have a perspective from NIC on data-driven governance. Let's have a big round of applause for Mr. IPS Sethi, DDG NIC. Over to you, sir.
Very good afternoon, my senior colleagues on the dais, ladies and gentlemen. Government is working for citizen empowerment through digital transformation. That is the mantra. And a whole lot of programs and schemes are implemented by government at various levels, be it a central government, state government, or district administration for the welfare of people. And tons of data is getting generated. So petabytes of data is getting generated, and these data to be put for meaningful use so that we have effective measurement of volume, output, and outcome of, so that the government has informed decision and decision making is taken properly. So the analytic monitoring of plans and scheme of government at various levels through one consolidated dashboard with anytime and anywhere access. Earlier, we used to have a bulk reporting. People used to have 132 column stationery, 80 column stationery, used to print a lot. People are going through it. Now time has gone that on a single screen, everything is available. Data is coming automatically through APIs, no human intervention, and you can quickly have a meaningful decision. So the key focus area is the government implements welfare programs and scheme at various levels for citizen benefit. Effective monitoring of such program scheme is imperative at different levels through identify KPIs, key performance indicators, measuring the outcome and impact of the project so as to take appropriate decision and actions. So data-driven governance, key drivers are comprehensive dashboard with defined roles, data collection through APIs automatically. You say night 2 a.m. my data should come to my server. It's automatically, no human intervention. We can have a status and progress of projects. Further drill down at various levels, right from central, state, district, panchayat, village, the level where we are working. Then we can have a alert generation. We can have standardization of data, and we can identify data outliers and correlations so that any abnormal data is not there, and we can identify trends and measure efficiency using various technology. So data is transferred from various departments and ministry through APIs. It gets validated, corrected, it's processed, analyzed, put on the server, and we have a visualization dashboard available. And what are the enablers for this? That we should have a quality data available. Data-driven culture and readiness of the organization is very important. Technology-enabled based operations are there. Regular monitoring for improvement, capacity building and grooming of manpower, selection of right tools and technology, involvement of business domain professional, and scope of expansion and long-term sustainability. So why we need dashboard? It facilitates in data-driven governance and decision-making, act as an enabler to improve service delivery, enhance efficiency by the saving of for data collection and insight generation, drill down facility for better understanding of information, unmask the opportunities for planning and implementing new initiatives, data collection and integration from multiple sources using APIs, and foundation for application of advanced analytics using machine learning algorithms. And the journey begins. Everybody knows that Ministry of Electronic and IT in 2006 launched ambitious National E-Governance Program, NEGP. And in 2012-13, when the government was reviewing the program, then one very senior government officer said, this NEGP is running for last 6 years. What is the output and outcome? How many driving licenses are issued today? How many properties are registered? How many vehicles are registered? How many foreigners have come to India? How many income tax people have filed their returns? There was no single portal in government where you can measure the volume, output, and outcome of various schemes. We started this portal in 2013, and that time we were getting 66 lakh transactions per day, and today we are getting 25 crore transactions per day on this portal, and 4,000 schemes of governments are integrated on this, and Gaur is sitting, and Andhra is always #1 on ETAL portal. So And we can have a very effective monitoring of various schemes, that how the flow and things are moving. And if you can see the graph, that the growth is going from 266 crore in 13 to 10,000 crores worth of, this is a volume, not amount or anything. This is just a volume of that. Anything which is end-to-end happen, a birth certificate is issued, death certificate is issued, caste certificate is issued, or property is registered, anything happening on the e-governance front, any transaction happening, this portal gets updated every 5 seconds. Every 5 seconds, this portal gets updated, and it's like a population clock which keep on ticking. Everybody knows 8th November 2016, 8 p.m., Honorable Prime Minister announced demonetization. Government was looking for cashless economy, and we were asked to develop a portal. And so this portal was developed, and 16 modes of digital payment transaction. Anything and everything you are doing digitally and paying through NEFT, RTGS, credit card, debit card, UPI, USSD, BHIM, gift cards, or you are crossing through the highways on toll plazas, FASTags, you are traveling on metros, anything you are doing digitally, it gets recorded here. And you will be happy to note that 650 crore worth of UPI transactions happened in the month of August, last month. That is the volume and magnitude. So what I am saying, that telling this is a very easy, but you need to have a scalable, secure, robust, resilient system built which can cater to such a huge amount of data. 109 banks are integrated on this portal, be it a foreign bank, national bank, public bank, private bank, payment banks. National Payment Corporation of India and Reserve banks are there. Everybody is pushing the data through APIs automatically, and this portal is used by everybody, right, in Finance Ministry, Prime Minister Office, and everybody. And last year we recorded 88 billion of digital payment transaction in terms of volume in the country. 2018, many chief ministers were asking for the dashboard, single dashboard, so that they can effectively monitor their programs and scheme. So we develop a Darpan. Darpan means dashboard for analytics review of program across nations. So it's a generic, configurable, parameterized, and integrated dashboard, easy to generate and maintain visuals, dynamic dashboard update with APIs, possibility for integrated analytics using data from multiple sources, data standardization, freedom to use graphical tabular report for monitoring, drill-down facility, common hosting framework, ease of customization, single sign-on with Parichaya enabled and LDAP authentication, email alerts for data updates. So we have done dashboards for ministries and state government. This is the mighty dashboard we done. This is the skill development dashboard. You are seeing there, it is in Hindi, so multiple languages are also there. This is the DOT dashboard we have done. This is the government of Assam dashboard. Chief Minister Office is very rigorously using this. This is the Kerala government dashboard. You see the language in the local Malayali language. And then you can have various drill down facilities. You can have various graphical analysis where you can take informed decision based on the data, and every data is coming through APIs, no human intervention. So these are the kind of decision on a single screen. If the state government say, these are the 30 schemes I want to monitor, this is my priority. So we can accordingly configure this and it can be done. Now come Prayas. COVID happened, entire government was working virtually, work from home was happening. So Prime Minister Office said that we want to monitor important flagship program of the government. So that time we developed the Prayas portal, pursuing excellence in governance. The platform provides actionable insights and enable concerned ministry department take appropriate measures at right time as a step toward data-driven governance. So it's auto data fetch from APIs, data integration using local government directory. That means if I have integrated LGD, LGD is developed by Ministry of Panchayati Raj, I can drill down from center to state to district to tehsil to block to village. Wherever my data is there, if I want to see a particular village performance, I can see on this. Data quality monitors and alert, customization as per need, analytical platform. It's powered by the data science, and it's ongoing. activity. So the onboarding process is data readiness and KPI identification, API-based data fetch, data quality check, visualization and dashboards are done, demonstrated to a department. We get approval and scheme go live and it's come on the dashboard. The status is that we started with 30 schemes 2 years ago and 157 schemes from 62 ministry departments with 800 plus KPIs and 2000 plus visualizations are onboarded on this Prayas portal. This portal is very much appreciated by Honorable Prime Minister and Council of Ministers, and they are very effectively using some of the visualizations. You can have various features drilled on various schemes. So another, as part of Atmanirbhar Bharat, we developed Tejasvi. Now people are using Power BI, Tableau, or whole sorts of dashboarding tool. So this is an in-house developed dashboard visualization tool, and this is used effectively by some of the ministry. This is called Tejasvi, which is done in-house by NIC, no cost, no Power BI, no Tableau, no commercial tool. Just use this tool and you will have all the connectors and you can have a beautiful charting and dashboarding facility. So our journey, we started from a concept from Darpan to Prayas to Tejasvi, ETAL. So data-driven governance can only happen that if we have a meaningful and quality information and data sources are there, and we can take very informed and quick decision based on the available data. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. IPS Sethi, DDG NIC, for sharing with us the journey of data-driven governance in India from ETAL, Darpan, remarkable.